Welcome to the AZ Garden Triangle. Today we're going to dive into this foolproof method of separating seedlings, the wet method. This technique is perfect for delicate seedlings or when you need to handle seedlings that germinated so close together like this. So, let's get started. First, we gently remove the seedlings from the original pot and place them in a container filled with water. Next, gently spray the root balls with water back and forth. This action will help separate the tangled roots while keeping the seedlings intact. Make sure the water level is just enough to cover the roots. This process will help loosen the soil and minimize any damage to the plants. Be careful, as we want to avoid any unnecessary stress on the plants. While waiting for the root balls to loosen, we prepare the containers for transplanting. Now comes the fun part. Carefully lift each individual seedling from the water. Take a moment to examine the roots and gently separate the seedlings. If you notice that the roots are still tangled together, don't panic. Simply use your fingers to carefully tease apart the roots. Or you can use a stick to tease the roots too. This will allow each plant to grow independently and thrive. Once all the seedlings are separated, it's time to plant them into their new homes. Use a container big enough to grow them, like an 18-inch pot, to leave some room for growth. Gently press the seedling into the soil, securing it with your fingers. Don't forget to mulch. At the AZ Garden, we always water freshly transplanted seedlings with fish emulsion and Epsom salt. Oops, I dropped the measuring spoon. Let's just eyeball the Epsom salt. Finally, give your freshly separated seedlings a generous spritz of water to settle them into their new home. Keep an eye on them, provide adequate sunlight and water as needed. And there you have it. You've mastered the wet method for separating seedlings. Remember, this technique is perfect for delicate plants and will help you avoid any root damage. So, next time you're faced with a tangle of seedlings, give the wet method a try. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more AZ gardening tips and tricks, please click on the next video. Happy gardening!